I tried to see if we could get rid of the crunch from the doux.
All about natural beauty. Yeah, slim Reshae.
Okay, so my hair is freshly washed, but I've been editing all day, so I haven't had the chance to actually do my hair. So it's dry now. We're gonna have to wet it. So I just have some warm water in my spray bottle and I'm just dampening my hair. Now I said what I said about this brush, but I will say for my hair, because it's so fine and low density, it helps me do like a, I guess what I call like a shallow detangle, because my tangle teaser, she gonna get all up in there and make sure, you know, every piece is detangled. The last wash and go I did was with the doux, and it got some crunch, okay? Over the days, there was flaking in the hair, not just in the air. So I wanted to put it to the test and see if we could create a concoction that is gonna reduce the flakes and a little bit of the crunch. So the way I like to test out products before I go and do like apply it to my entire head is take like, this is the gel. Yeah, this is giving snail mucin. So I like to take a little bit of that and put it on the back of my hand. And then I take whatever product I'm gonna be mixing or layering it with and also put a little bit of that on the back of my hand. Like this. And then what you want to do is just start mixing it together like so, like that. And then if it mixes well like that, then it's pretty promising that the product combo is gonna, you know, mesh well together. So the product that I added with my B-Girl custard is, this is the OG pink hair lotion. So I'm thinking if I get like a oily, you know, shiny, soft product with my crusty crazy. If I put it with my crusty B-Girl custard, I think it's gonna be one for the books. So I got them. Let's try them. Rated 1 through 10. Okay, so I wanted to show you an example of products that are not meshing well together. It'll kind of look like this cottage cheese vibe, and it's not meshing well together compared to the one I showed you previously. This is the wet line in the Miss Jessie's leave-in condition. If it start to crumble and look like cookie dough, I wouldn't advise that combination. Okay, so I am gonna layer these products. So my hair back here is currently damp. Probably don't need too much of this product because a little goes a long way. I do like to make sure my ends are coated with the product. Then I go in with my brush and start detangling from the ends. I was watching my girl Kimberly Sherrill, and she was showing you how like you can feel where you need to add more product in your hair. And so I can feel like the moisture in my hair, but the ends could use a little bit more. As you can see, that hair is moisturized with that pink hair lotion. And so I took a smaller section and I'm gonna start applying the B-Girl Honey Curl Custard. And I'm starting from the root and just working that product down till I get to the ends. Y'all know me, I like to use my brush and then I'll go in and shingle my hair. I'm gonna try not to do too much like at the root like I did last time where I was like flattening it down, because that's where it was like real giving cement, okay? Okay, I just wanted to pause and kind of show y'all my hair, because a lot of people be thinking that I just have a lot of hair, woo, and this is how thick my hair is. Not thick at all. And that is like the whole front side of my head, bruh. And it's literally like just this. And look at this when it's wet. Somebody come look at this.
Look at this. Somebody come look at this.
Okay, so far I feel like it's softer. It's not the same crunch that it was like immediately after I applied it, so I'm excited. Y'all, I'm nervous. I'm not gonna hold you. Why? Because my hair is like, it's giving lightweight, it's giving soft. It's not as like clumped as it was, and that's making me nervous. I'm gonna sit under a hooded dryer for maybe about 30 minutes and then diffuse the rest of my hair, and we gonna see if we solve the crime of the crunch. Okay, here's the back. Stiff well, not here. But let me not speak too soon, because what my girls say, we gotta wait and see after it dries. At first shake, there's still a few flakes in the air. There is flakes like up in here. I don't know, baby. I don't think we solved the crunch or the flakes. I'm tired, so I'm about to go to bed, and I'ma come show y'all what it look like tomorrow after I stretch it out. Give me a second. This is pretty much what my hair looks like next day. I stretched it, I picked it, did all the things. This is what the back looks like. Okay, I think my hair looks good. I will say baby girl was giving frosted flakes, so mission was not accomplished. It was giving Captain Crunch after I got from under the hooded dryer. It looked very much the same as it did the first time. I just feel like my hair is a little bit softer since I added the pink moisturizer in it, but other than that, like, I feel like I noticed the flakes even more, and I don't think it was because of the moisturizer. I think it was because when I felt my hair feeling so soft, I kept adding more of the custard in hopes to make sure that my hair was defined. So I feel like when you're applying this product, you might not be able to like see how much you're applying, so just go with the less is more concept and try that out. But all in all, yeah, like, will I continue to use it? Yes. The forewarnings I will give you is the flaking, the crunch. Like, she's gonna be that because that is her personality, okay? So I will say this is a natural hair fail, I guess, but I'm not mad at it. Like, I know my hair is gonna last me all weekend. I was able to pick it and stretch it, and it still looks like defined and everything like that, so I'm not mad at it. I would not use it for edges again, because if you use it in the edges, it's gonna give very much flake. So I went in and touched up my edges again, but I used Got2b glue to do that. And then any like frizzy areas, I was using my honey setting foam that they have, so the Crazy Sexy Curl one. So if I need to touch up any curls, that would be my go-to. But all in all, comment below what other products you think I should try. I'm gonna try to get on a schedule and give y'all a natural hair video every week. So y'all comment below, because I done did a lot of styles, so I want to know what products y'all want me to test, what styles y'all want me to do. So yeah, let me know in the comment section below. I love y'all. And one more thing, I'm thinking about changing up my outro. I'm gonna wait till the rebrand though. But anyway, I love y'all, and y'all never forget, at the end of the day, without regrets, love yourself and be you to full. Bye.